On this video, we're going to take a look at this vertical sketch pad for kids. Now, the cool thing is, this does rotate 360 degrees. Markers on one side, or chalk on the other one. But also, if you have two kids, because you can set this right in the middle, and then both can draw. So definitely nice addition to the room, which for now is gonna go here. So we're gonna put it together. It's made of durable. Well, that didn't help very much. But these are little magnets on here. It also is a drawing, so you got markers, dry erase markers, some chalk. I guess we could just take this out. Okay, doesn't seem like there's a lot of parts, so that's good. And this does rotate 360 degrees. See, one side is chalk, and the other side is dry erase markers. The plastic pieces are secured. There's only a few pieces really in play here that are holding everything together. Next are trays. Now, they also supplied you with 4 of these. These are if you want to make this shorter for your baby. Your baby's not standing. So we would remove these and then we would put these instead. Okay. Finally, you've got these little cups, and these cups go on the side. And this is where you put all your things. And then the other cup goes in here or here. So the letters stick to both sides. You get all your letters, all your numbers. So we have chalk, we have dry erase marker, we've got little stars, we've got a little dabber here, and we've got quite a few little tiny markers. So depending on the age level, you're going to use one of these markers. And erase as well. So great little toy.